dress from Miami. This is my kitchen. It's such a mess. I just fed the cats. I need a shoe cabinet there. And this is Rocky. This apartment is furnished, and that pile over there is getting picked up by the landlord. The couch is staying and the TV is staying. I bought the desk, and this is Damon eating. And out here I have my 7 by 12 foot garden. Moving on, we're headed to the bedroom. My bedroom is pretty large. It fits a king-size bed. The dresser is also from the previous tenant. I bought the boys a cat condo here. I have pretty good closet space. I also have a large closet between the bedroom and the bathroom. I also keep their litter box down there. And here's my bathroom. Nothing really that special about it. Since that last video, I got a new rug, and I also got bar stools from Facebook Marketplace and a shoe cabinet. I'm also going to be replacing this king bed for a queen bed as I want more space in the bedroom. I'm growing plants in containers on my balcony, and there is a mix of food and flowers. I grew some tomatoes here. And I also have a bunch of new flowers that I have never grown in New York. I'm really excited to see how long they'll bloom for. Boys love coming to hang out on the balcony. They love watching the wild chickens and the traffic go by.